this video, we take a closer look at the standard objects. Let's start with the sphere. In ZBrush, we have the option to modify all standard objects before we convert them into a polymesh. We can find this modification in the Initialize sub-item in the Tool menu options. Here we have the option to precisely and accurately align our object along the X, Y, or Z axis. Then we can carefully and gently compress it right here along the X, Y, or Z axis. We can make a cut or change the polygon resolution. With the next object, we've got some different settings options. Similar to the sphere, the axis alignment, compression, and the polygon resolution. But now comes the unique part. To change the shape of the object, we can work with a curve. We can also flip the curve, reset, or commence to start undoing the changes. We can quite easily shift the curve either upwards or downwards. Noise disruption can also include or permit to allow repeat at certain given intervals. Then we can save the curve we've already set, or even load it. With the T-profile, meaning thickness profile, we alter the outer radius in relation to the objective, that is, thickness. And of course, the exact same settings are availed to us, just as with the previous curve. Let's take a look at another object with a bit more options for adjustments. Here we have the same object alignment in XYZ as we had it with the object before. A cut that we can make in 360 degrees. The object depth. And the inner radius. Then we have some curves for the exterior shape. And for the inner shape. If we're happy with the settings we've indeed made, we shall convert our object into a polymesh. As we've already learnt, we do that above with the Make Polymesh 3D button. In our upcoming video, we will closely examine navigation and stage settings.